This is Miss Mary singing the alphabet.
Yeah. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I'm done with the alphabet.
Congratulations, it's rock star.
I think the reason America works is that we're pioneers. The ones that weren't pioneers stayed home. The ones that were brought here in slavery decided, I'm not staying in Alabama, I'm coming to Oklahoma and Kansas. I'm going to try again.
There are places I remember all my life, though some have changed, some forever, not for better. Some have gone, and some remain. All these places had their moments with lovers and friends I still can recall. Some are dead and some are living. In my life, I've loved them all.
It is good to be at KU.
But of all these friends and lovers, there is no one compares with you. And these memories lose their meaning when I think of love as something new. Though I know I'll never lose affection for people and things that went before. I know I'll often stop and think about them. In my life, I love you more.
I am most grateful for the invitation to address this joint session of Congress in the land of the free at the home of the brave.
Though I know I'll never lose affection